drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw, color, and shade in some bird eggs in a nest. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. But anything will work. I'll be using some computer paper to draw on, an ultrafine point Sharpie to draw with, and some Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencil crayons to color with. So, let's get right on into drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies ready yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Also, make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. So first things first, I'm going to take the lid off my Sharpie so that I'm ready to draw. And we're going to go in and we're going to start by drawing a slightly curved line. Just like that. So this is going to be the edge of the nest. So now we're going to draw the eggs. So I'm going to be drawing 3 eggs, but you can draw more or less depending how you like it. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to draw a big upside down U shape. Just like that. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of overlapping. So I'm going to pretend I'm starting here. I'm going to go up and then finish it off. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same on this side too. I'm going to pretend that I'm starting here, going up, and then back down. Just like that. Now you can add some more eggs over here, or you can draw some sticking up at the top, but I'm going to leave it just like this. So now we're going to draw the nest. So I'm going to go back here and draw a little curve, just like that. I'm going to do the same over here too. A little curve. Then I'm going to continue that curve down. I'm going to do the same here. Now, finally, I'm going to do a curved line to connect. Now you can round off the edges a little bit if you want, or you can leave them flat. And now I'm just going to take this line and I'm going to curve it in. Just like that. So you can leave your drawing like this, or you can color it in however you want. Or you can color it in the way I color it in. So here's how I'll be coloring in mine. Okay, so coloring time. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be using my Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencils to color this in. So I'm going to start by going in with light cerulean blue, and I'm just going to be coloring in the eggs. Now, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Great, now I'm going to be going in with sienna brown. I'm going to be coloring in the nest. Now, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Awesome! So you can leave your drawing just like this, or you can do some shading. So first, I'm going to be going in with true blue. And I'm going to be going along the edges of this egg, because this egg is in front of the other two. Great. Next, I'm going to be going in with dark brown. And I'm going to be coloring in this little loop we made earlier. And the same on the other side. I'm also gonna just draw some random lines throughout the front to make it look like there are twigs and branches sticking out. Great! If you'd like to show me your drawing, ask your parent or teacher to email me a picture to jossaskidstraw@yahoo.com. Also include in the email, what's your favorite season? Mine is fall. If your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. So make sure you check out my last video, how to draw the Easter Bunny. And stay tuned because there will be more videos coming really, really soon. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Press subscribe down below if you haven't already for some more art tutorials. I'll see you guys next time and keep on drawing until then. Bye!